Hello everybody, welcome to another opening video. Today we're going to be opening the Star Wars Doorables Galactic Cruisers mystery box. And this is what we can get. Not going to go over them all individually, mainly because I probably don't know all their names, but we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, plus I think 2 specials. Collect all 10. 1 special. Oh yeah. So, yeah, I mean, I know we got Yoda and Darth Vader, C-3PO, I believe, Ashoka, Stormtrooper, so, what are they called? I forgot what those things are called. Don't know who that is. I probably would. Is that Poe? No. We got R2-D2. I'm gonna guess that's Leia. And oh, that kind of looks like Palpatine. All right, well, let's dive in and see what we got. Ewok. That's what that little thing is. It's an Ewok. There you go. Ewok. Took me a minute. Oh, it's tape there. This is the first time opening one of these. And once you get the fancy box open, you get the bag. 2 bags. So let's... Yeah, it looks like little... Wait, is that Leia? Yeah, right? That's cool. Got a little nub so it sits in it too. Oh, these things are pretty cool. I guess we can call it adorable. Alright, well, there you have it. Star Wars Adorable Galactic Cruisers. So, don't forget to like, favorite, subscribe, and follow TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. If you like these mystery figures or boxes, you can check out my eBay. I got a ton of the things that I open up there. I got cards, games, electronics, pre-loved goods, all sorts of stuff. Before we close out, I found this in the bottom of the thing. Okay, it's a checklist. Yeah, there you go. There's Chewbacca, 3PO, Stormtrooper, R2-D2, Ashoka Tano, Wicket Warwick, that's what that is. Princess Leia, Grogu, Luke Skywalker, and Vader. So I guess Chewbacca is the special one. No? That one wasn't the one on the box? Yeah, looks like Chewbacca might be the special one. Well, there you have it. Yep, special edition. Alright. Well, I've held you up long enough. This is no longer a short if you're on YouTube, so I'll see you next time. Peace out.